Hey guys, my name is Daniel King. Welcome to King's Tech Review. And on this channel, we're going to be reviewing the Shure BLX microphone system. Did I say that right? The Shure BLX microphone system right here. All right. I got this product brand new out of the box. However, I don't have the box right now. All right. I kind of got rid of the box, but I would still like to do a review on this product because this product has been very good to me. I've been using this product for over 3 years, and I don't know why I did not do a product review before, but I'm doing it right now, and I trust that you guys are excited. So let's jump into it. You get the manual. All right, tells you everything about the system. Says the BLX wireless microphone system. Then it comes with the power cord. You could plug it into 110 current. Two pop filters. If you take a look at it, two little pop filters here. All right, this here is the receiver. With this nice receiver. All right, and it's not brand new. As I mentioned, I've been using it, and it also, when you turn it to the back, it has these XLR outputs, which is nice. And you can plug your XLR microphone right in here. All right. So it comes with the receiver and also the transmitter here. This is the transmitter here. Okay. A nice little cool, plastic, very lightweight, so you could take it anywhere you want to go, whether you're on stage performing or whether you are just basically doing an office, presentation or what have you. I use it sometimes when I do my recordings outside, and I used it last week when I was doing my Christmas jingle. All right, every year we have a jingle over here, and I hook this up to me and I use it. I run all over and sing, and just have a nice time. It's a kind of karaoke sing along, and this is one of the handiest tools I've ever used because I want my hand to move knobs and to do different things, and this makes it so efficient for me to walk around and just basically not having anything to worry about. This is a product that actually will work for you. All right, so then it comes with also, all right, these are the clip-on mics. All right, it clips right to you like this. So you clip it on right here. All right, and you could put on one of those pop filters. Bam! Let me show you how it works. All right, let me remove the mic. Put on those pop filters here. All right, see here. Yeah, you just slip on the pop filter right here like so, and you just put it on like a sock. It fits like a sock on your foot. All right, so it fits nice and snug right here. All right, and then you pin this on right here. So like this. I tell you, this thing worked really nice for me the other night when I was having that sing-along karaoke style there. So this is how you plug it in. All right, so you plug it in like this. Use the top here, and you just put it down here like that. Bam, right there. Okay, so it's in now. All right, and then after you put in, it works with two AA batteries stuck. All right, so let's get this open. So you squeeze the side here and you open it. All right, and the two AA batteries goes right in here like so. All right, let's put it in right there. Two AA batteries. See how it looks? Two AA right in. All right, then you close it down. But before we close it down, I want to show you this. Right over here, if you look at it, all right over here, this here is this is the volume knob. So you could turn it up and turn it down. Right here, the transmitter actually program. This is a transmitter programs right here. All right, it communicates with the receiver. Okay, communicate with this receiver here. All right, so what you have to do, you have to set it to the station. I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so you close it up. I'm going to plug it in, and then we're going to test it out. So let me just put it here. Tricky. The wires mixed up. Anyway. So we got it all plugged in. All right, now let's test it out. This is how you turn it on. Okay, so this is the power switch here. So I'm going to switch it on like that. So there we go. There we go. It's all on now. And then I'm going to switch on the transmitter here, the mic, my mic. All right, so it's on right now. Let's see if it's receiving, it's communicating. Yeah. Okay, so when it communicates, you will see this little light on this side move. It will turn on and off when it's connected. All right, and you see the number is A1. All right, you see A1 here in the system right here. It says A1. Okay, and when you look at the mic transmitter, this has to be set to A1 as well. So let's look at it. If you look at it right here, let me see, focus, focus, focus. All right, all right, right here, A1. Okay, good. So, and that means it's transmitting signal to the receiver here. All right, so I'm gonna let you guys hear how this thing sounds really nice. I really like the sound of this Shure microphone. All right, okay, so now the XLR connects to this. Let me get an XLR. I'll be right back. Guys, this is the Shure lapel mic. This is how it sounds right now. I'm speaking, I already hooked it up to the mixer board, and this is how it's coming through. Hope you like the signal. If you want to hear better, probably you need to put on how you think the sound sounds to you. All right, before I was using my Shure. This is my Shure SMB 58 microphone. All right, and that was the sound quality before, but now I'm using this lavalier mic here, small little mic that is quite portable, and I could go anywhere with it. I think that quality is really nice, and this product sells on Amazon for about $250 something dollars. I don't know if the price went up or went down, but you can get it for around that price, and this product has worked out to be very valuable to me. Anybody that's doing video production, anybody that's probably has a small office meeting or gathering, basically any concerts or anything, this product would be really cool and handy to use. All right, so I would encourage you, if you want to purchase this product, the link is below. All right, you could go and check it out on Amazon and see if it's the right fit for you. Please consider liking and subscribing to our channel here on King's Tech Review, where we bring some of the tips, tricks, and strategies to help you build your YouTube channel and to help you build your business online. So I want to thank you for joining me here. My name is Daniel King, and I'll see you in the next tech review. Bye-bye.